Hey, Dr. Martin here with just a quick video on how to complete the week 2 screenshot troubleshooting assignment. All right, so here's the assignment here. Uh, you're gonna find some, there's the camera. You're gonna find some issue. You're gonna take some screenshots. You're gonna have some clear communication about it. Now, there are lots of issues out there you can find. If you can't find something, then you can click on this is a link here that will show you, hey, this page doesn't exist. It's kind of similar to this next screen here up on Wikipedia. You know, this screen doesn't exist. Now, if you're on a Windows computer, that's what I'm using. That's all I can show you is you can use the snipping tool. Now, I have the snipping tool right here pinned to my taskbar, but if you don't, you can go into the Windows search menu and in Windows, starting Windows 10 and 11, type in snip. You're going to see that icon right there and click on it, and then it will come up, and then you will see the icon in your desktop. And since I have mine pinned, let me unpin it. You'll see this pin to taskbar. Click on it and it'll always be there. It'll just be hanging out. Even if I close it, it'll still be there and it'll open up right back where I left off. So if I want to take a screenshot of the whole screen or part of the screen, I'm just going to click new right here, and then the screen's going to kind of fade out a little bit, but you can still see my cursor. So I'm going to go to just the top edge of the window, and I'm going to click with my left mouse button and drag down and across the screen. Right, so here is now my screenshot, and you'll notice that I can now annotate it a little bit. I can circle, I can make arrows, I can, whatever. And right now my pen is yellow, but I can make a blue one over here or green. Green is good. You can even, highlight some sections, a lot of things, okay? So then you'll want to, let me see here if I can pull it over. Then you can click save right here, and you could save this screenshot. Click on save, and you could say, okay, I'm gonna save it in my pictures. Of course, you are gonna save it to somewhere on your computer. Even downloads, pictures is fine, and then you're gonna upload it to your OneDrive account so that you don't lose track of it. Okay, but I'll just say save in pictures. All right, so that's your screenshot. Okay, now I can open up Word, which by the way, I also have pinned here to my screen. Okay, and then I could come back here and I could say insert picture from this device, and then I think I put it in pictures, right? Screenshot, yep, there it is. Click on that, insert it, and then I can even resize it inside Word. And then right after it is where you can type in your explanation about what it is we're seeing here, a clear explanation, okay? And you put in the next screenshot or the next screenshot, whatever, and then you could submit the Word document. Or you can just type in something like screenshot number 1 and then explain. Number 2, explain. Number 3, explain. Okay, and then you can save this document to your OneDrive. Then you can upload the separate screenshot files and a Word document with your explanations for screenshot 1, screenshot 2, and screenshot 3. Just make sure you name your screenshots appropriately, right? Your first name, your last name, and then maybe like screenshot 1. Okay, and then upload your Word document first name, last name, screenshot, explanations. Upload those to the assignment submission box. Let me see. Oh, it's going to tell me I haven't published it. So, of course, it's going to tell me access denied. So, let me leave student view here. Doing this, you know, right? This is the first time we've updated this course using Windows 365. So, I'm building this like a week ahead of time. So, down here below the assignment will be your submit assignment button, a blue button. You click on that, then you can drag those files over, or you can download them and upload them, whatever you need to do. Okay, just make sure you have the annotations and the explanation. Okay, clear screenshot, annotated, explanation, logical, troubleshooting steps, and you can even see the rubric for how you're going to be graded. Very detailed. Screenshot clarity. Screenshots were clear, right? Go through all that. Now, what if you don't have a Windows computer? I don't have a Mac. I don't have a Chromebook. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up ChatGTP, and I gave you the link, just like I showed you in another video about asking for help, and you're going to ask ChatGPT for help in how to take a screenshot with your type of computer. Okay, there's always a way on any device to take a screenshot. Okay, and if you don't know how to annotate the screenshot, like, you know, how do I make marks on it, then Chad will tell you as well. Maybe you have to open it up in Paint or something like that, or another program, and annotate it. But ChatGTP will help you. If you, once you learn how to take a screenshot, practice it, and then once you're at the point where you're trying to figure out how to annotate it, you can say, hey, Chad, how do I annotate my screenshot? And if it gives you directions you're unclear of, you can take a screenshot of that section and say, okay, this is what I see. What do I click on? I don't know what to do. And then Chad, my faithful AI servant, will help you. Okay? Now, if you run into some problems with this, then text me. We can schedule a Zoom, and we can look at your screen, what it looks like, and we can go through the same process. We'll ask Chad. Chad will tell us what to do, and then we'll try it on your computer, and we'll go back and forth with Chad until he gives us the answers that we need. All right. So just make sure that you have those screenshots, those annotations, and the explanations. All right. Any other questions? Again, reach out. Thanks for watching this other short video to help you with this assignment. And remember, during week 1 and week 2, I will let you resubmit an assignment if you don't get full points. So make sure you take advantage of that. Thanks again, and I'll see you later.